flying all over the place, but it was...
You're getting fat.
Yeah.
Oh!
Do you want to go down there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down there. What are we doing today, buddy?
I'm going on the path.
Trying to get some exercise.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going on path. Look at this.
Oh yeah, one of those shaker things.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
There's more.
She's got a treasure trove there.
Yeah. There's more up there. And a squirrel.
A squirrel.
Yeah.
Where?
Right there, it's eating its nut.
Oh yep, we got it.
Cool.
Never seen a squirrel before.
Well, eating its nut.
Yeah, we can go down here. Try not to fall.
Yeah. I wonder if this is just like, it's definitely not a bike path.
It's not a bike path, buddy.
I wonder if this is like, a like deer path, or if it is just a hiking path.
I don't know.
What is it?
See if you can find any tracks.
It's probably not though.
The only tracks I see are human tracks. You think we could bring dirt bikes down here?
Down here?
Yeah.
No.
Are you gonna butt scoot it?
Yeah, it's there in the fall.
We gotta go back up this thing.
Yeah, I don't care if we go up it, but it's like, well, we're going down it. What's this little platform over here?
This is a tee box for
Oh yeah, frisbee golf.
frisbee golf. Yeah. This is a pretty cool frisbee golf hole. I don't know that much about frisbee golf, but
You know where the net thing
right down the
Oh.
lake or the creek.
is. What's this?
I think this must be like the abandoned tee box, because that's the one we were on,
Yeah.
and this one, it probably got flooded or something. This is pretty cool scenery though. Look at the thorns on that stick
Where?
right in front of you.
Wait. Here?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sinking down in the ground. Oh.
They're not that big, I don't think, but they're not that small.
I wonder how pokey they are. Oh wow, it just like broke off and already.
What do you think is at the bottom of this hill?
A waterfall?
There might be a waterfall. We'll see. Have you been down here before?
No, I don't
Are
think
you sure? With mommy or something?
No, I'm not sure though.
You haven't been down here? All right.
No.
Well, let's go see if there's any water. It hasn't rained here in forever, so maybe there's no waterfall. Maybe there is a waterfall. We don't know.
Yeah.
Let's go find out. All right, we made it to the waterfall. Is it flowing?
Yeah.
Let's look.
I'm gonna throw this piece down.
Yeah, okay, throw it.
Oh, bounce off the dog. I need another piece.
There's usually a lot more water here. I've seen fish down there and stuff before.
Yay! Oh, I made it on the leaves, not the water.
You want to go down there?
What?
Do you want to go down there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down there. Come on, let's go down there.
This is our place. It's almost like the roof made
Yeah, we really need the gimbal for this, but I don't know where it's at.
Gimbal. What? Whoa. Look at that thing. Cool. This place is cool. I like this place.
Yeah, it's a little muddy, so try not to get all muddy or slip in the mud.
Okay. Oh, look, there's a bunch of roots hanging down off the things. The spider web.
Yeah, because a lot of times there's water in here.
Oh, yeah. And oh my gosh, it's going by a drip. It's going by a drip, see?
Yeah, buddy.
It's crazy. I'm gonna try. Whoa.
Let's try not to get wet.
Yeah. That goes deep. Whoa, there's like an underwater cave right there. What? It's like an underwater cave. Oh, there's some more underwater cave things. Right there. I wonder where those lead.
What's up there?
Like a big long path thing.
Yeah.
All the way. Wow. Man, I wish you could come out here.
I probably can, but not while holding the camera. You have to. This is the only way home. You went over this way.
Ow! Woo! Woo!
Did you make it?
Ow! Yeah.
What are you finding, buddy?
Seashells.
Let me see.
Oh.
Oh, you found some full ones. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, look at this big one.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we can find.
Okay.
Somebody on this video is going to pick the big one out that we don't even see. Is that one?
What?
Or is that plastic or something?
I think it's plastic, but
Yeah, probably.
that's still cool.
I thought that was a really cool looking one, but it's just plastic. Haha.
That one. Ew.
That one still have a thing in it?
Yeah, that one does. That one does. That one doesn't.
Find enough of these, we could have supper.
That one I think does, yeah. There's a cracked one.
We need to bring a shovel or something back here.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, there's some right under my feet. What?
Let's go way over there by that big rock wall.
Look, there's shelves right there with those rocks. I bet its mom came and we put some diggers in Yeah. We check them out every single weekend. Pretty cool.
Yeah, except it floods down here all the time, so.
Yeah, cool.
This is a cool place, though. It's like we're in a theater.
Yeah. I wonder how deep this goes.
Not very deep. I can see the bottom.
What?
You can see the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is a bigger waterfall.
This is like rapids. But
Look at that, like, smooth. It just looks so smooth. And then it just gets all rough.
yeah.
It looks so smooth. And then
Oh, you got one.
I got it! My first skip. I have never skipped a rock before.
That's pretty cool, buddy.
Yeah, and plus it didn't, like, it was just a rarity chance because it was like flying all over the place, but it was spinning. And when I was flying all over the place, it happened to land on the flat side and it skipped. But if it were to just stay there, I bet it would skip to the whole side. So if it skipped to the whole side, and like that was my first.
Well, our day's about wrapped up. What did we do today?
we went to Walmart and
Why did we go to Walmart?
because you're getting fat.
Yeah.
and,
Yeah.
And you need to get some things.
Yeah. Yeah, I've gained about 40 pounds in the last 6 months, so definitely trying to get a little more active and get on a diet. But that's not really part of this channel, but that's what we did today. What else did we do today?
We went to a path and we went and found some cool seashells and we looked at rocks and we skipped them and I made my first skip.
Yeah, you made your first rock skip ever. Gonna go home and have some dinner with Mommy
Yeah.
and call it a day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Where do they like and subscribe?
Down
Down
here.
below?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Bye.
Bye.